We're having a staycation at this little resort. There's several outbuildings. And we're the only ones staying here, so that's kind of nice. Except for the rain. Fiona, how was that? Cold? Vanya, how was that?
Too cold.
Too cold with all the rain?
Yeah. It's really cold in here. I haven't bring any jacket. And I don't have no cat.
You've been saying you want to go take a shower in the rain.
Oh, my nut is cold.
Now's your chance.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, and we got the chicken from McDonald's and rice.
Here. This is spicy.
Are you doing live? Is that TikTok?
You want to join?
Is that fun?
Yes.
There goes Nala playing basketball. Who's winning? We play horse, pig?
No, not yet. We will.
Baka? Ooh, good shot. Through the legs, and it's up. Oh, so close. No. So this is where we're going to do our bonfire and cook s'mores. Kids have never seen s'mores made before, so I was going to show them. But in this rain, I don't know if that's going to happen. So I have a plant like this at home I've been trying to grow for the last year. So mine is like this tall, a foot tall, and I keep killing mine. There's 3 plants inside the pot. 4 plants inside the pot. 3 of them have died. Just like some good bamboo. That's a pretty cool looking tree. But look at these roots. Don't know what type of tree that is.
Ako eh. Langoy! Langoy!
I see you. I'll swim.
Okay,
I'll swim in a little bit. I don't know how to get in here. I have to go all the way around. That's fun. Take picture, Mo. Take picture, Mo. Picture code. Good job, Tanya. Good fun, yeah?
Dami ka suka. Ba't wala nga suka?
Oh, I know.
Oh, ayan na.
Good morning.
Ah, that mosquitoes.
Say hi. Hello.
Rush, rush.
Good morning.